Hi there. I thought I'd just nip on really. I feel like I just wanted to say hello. Um, so if anyone's seen me Instagram this morning or on Patreon, I've shown my big sewing pile. So the first part I've been making, let me just move these out of the way. I've been making these cluster and ruffles sets. So I've just used some music paper, done a zigzag stitch down it, and just put a little bit of lace and then a die cut and then a butterfly one. And then these are the clusters. So this is the first time I've done this. I bought this linen ages ago. I think I bought, I don't know, a metre of it. So I tried the stamping on it. What ink did I use? I used my archival ink. And then I've just laid it up on some black cards, some music paper, some really old dictionary paper. And then I've just sewn these. So I should be putting these in, I don't know if I'll put them in the shop today or tomorrow. I've still got a few to do. So making 6 sets of those. I think I've managed 3 so far. So yeah, I just thought I'll just sit and have a chat really. Now I've put the camera on, I can't think of anything to say, but yeah, I think I'm just a bit lonely today. I've caught up on a lot of videos and stuff that, I mean, I've still got a million more to watch, but yeah, I've been catching up on videos and it just seems all a bit quiet. So I thought I'd just come on and have a bit of a chat. It's absolutely beautiful weather here in the UK. It's as if it was summer, and we would have been actually going away tomorrow. We was going to Bath for 2 days in a little cottage, and then we was going down to Devon for a week. So obviously we're not doing that, and it looks as if it's going to be beautiful weather, but it doesn't matter, it really doesn't. So and probably next time I book it and that, I'll have a week of rain. So I've just inked around them. I've gone around it with my walnut stain. I thought it gave it a nice edge with the, because I've used black thread. Gives it a more, I don't know, like a dramatic look. And do this one. But yeah, they took quite a while to sew around, with there being so many. Just doing 1 or 2 wasn't too bad, but yeah, I do like to do it all in bulk. So I'm still on the getting things used up and things. I've nearly used all my, I'm just cutting a bit of lace off. I've nearly used all my bird die cuts. I think one more project and they'll be finished off. Woohoo! It's funny, isn't it? You say, I'm going to use all this stuff up, and as you're using it, you're just buying more stuff. Then it'll be like, I need to use all this stuff up. But I mean, some of the stuff I'm using up now, I perhaps bought not a year ago, but a good 6 months ago. So yeah, it's good to clear the decks. So, put a bit of glue on that. So that's that one. What did I do with that? Oh, there. And then put a bit of that on. So I did think I might I might come back, and not today, but another day. And if you watch my, I think I called it Quick Craft or Little Makes, I did some circle nature embellishments. So I was thinking I might do these sets again, but do them more green and brown, and use the little mushrooms and things on them. I think that'll look quite good, because I printed out a load of those mushrooms and I have cut them all out, so it would be nice to get those used up. So I'll do another set. I think I've cut some of those. With this kind of stuff, I do like some of the threads hanging. I think it gives it a nice look. So I hope everybody's well. I'm thinking that a lot of people are probably out and about a bit more. Everywhere seems a little bit quiet. There doesn't seem as many videos being made and posts being made and stuff, so I'm guessing people are starting to, you know, go back to work and catch up on things. I've still not heard from my work. My partner's been back 2 weeks, but it will break up today because, like I say, we was going on holiday. And I've been on annual leave this week and next week, because this week would have been, you know, the school holidays, and then would have been away next week. But yeah, the place I work still isn't open, because it would be classed as non-essential, because I work in a clothes shop. But I think I did see some news headlines. Would have been on YouTube, because I don't watch the telly. Well, it's very, very rare that I've watched the telly. I think while I've been in lockdown, I've watched the telly twice, and that was just to watch a couple of episodes of something. So yeah, I did see some headlines saying non-essentials in the UK was perhaps going back on the 15th. But obviously certain measures, I don't know what the measures are, but yeah, so I'm thinking they're probably getting things in place ready. I bet you it'll be a last minute, oh, you're back to work tomorrow. Ugh. And I'm not very good with things like that. I have to, well, I need like at least a week's notice, because obviously, I mean, I'm not sitting here like being bored at home. The whole time I've been really busy with both of my shops and, you know, YouTube and posting and all the rest of it. So yeah, I've, you know, got things off made, and, you know, things that want starting off and finishing off, and so I kind of need a bit of notice. But I only work now 2 days a week anyway, so I suppose it won't take me too long to get prepared. Put them on. I have seen another glue bottle. I think I saw it on Tina Shabby Dabby Doodle. Somebody had sent her like a glue holder. It was like a little hand, and you put your little bottle in, and inside there was a bottle. And I got the name of it, and I looked for it on Amazon. So I think, well, it's in my basket, so I think I'm buying it. I just haven't committed just haven't fully committed myself to it, because it is quite expensive. To say it's just a, you know, an empty bottle. I think you do get 2 in the pack, but yeah, I am loving this small nozzle, but the plastic is just too tough for me, and it has softened a lot since I bought it, but yeah, it's still pretty tough. So kind of weighing up, oh, shall I or shan't I, or because I think craft supplies and stuff, it's never ending. There's always, you know, something different, something new to try out, and you can't try everything. You just can't. There's too much stuff, and like I say, in one way, oh, I'm using everything up, but then, you know, you just seem to be buying other stuff. But it is nice to try all these different things out. I think this is the last set. So yeah, I might actually photograph these now and get them up today. And then my next sewing pile is I've printed out some papers. The next big lot of things that I'll be doing is bees, and I've half made everything that I want to make for it. I've just got like the journals to make and some altered file folders and things. So the kit that I'm using is, I don't know the exact name, and Tina's got two bee kits. She's got like a blue and cream one, and then this peachy sagey lemon. It's a really soft kit, and that really did appeal to me. I remember last year wanting to do bees, and it's a little bit bright for me. So Tina's kit is really nice. So yeah, let me just move this out of the way so I don't get glue on them. So I've printed all these out and I've cut them to size and rounded them off. So I just need to whiz around them, put a grommet in, and then I've got all this beautiful seam binding, which goes absolutely beautiful with the kit. It's I mean, I know it looks soft anyway because it's on the vellum, but it is really that soft. So I've picked these colours to complement them. So I'm thinking that'll take me a few hours, and it's like late afternoon here in the UK. So yeah, I shall go now. I'll probably remember what I wanted to say after I turn the camera on, but I'm sure I was thinking, oh, I've got a few things that I need to say. Next week I will, the colour challenge is actually finished now, but I've still got blue and yellow to do. I'm kind of prepped for the blue one. I've got everything printed out and cut, and I've, you know, had a bit of a think about things I wouldn't mind making and stuff. I've not even thought about the yellow yet. I have bought some papers, so hopefully next week I shall get those done, and that'll be that finished. And then I'm going to spend a few weeks doing some more of the shabby dabby doodah mass makes. So that is that. So that's them all done. So it's been nice just saying hello, and I shall speak to you soon. Oh, have a great weekend, because it's the weekend. Every day seems the same to me. So see you soon. Bye.